In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to dark mode Metatrader 5. By the end, you'll know two reliable ways to get a darker, easier on the eyes workspace on MT5 desktop, whether you have the newest interface or you're using an older build. First, let's talk about the built-in dark theme. Recent versions of Metatrader 5 include a true dark interface that changes menus, toolbars, panels, and charts in one go. Look at the top of your terminal and open the View menu. From there, find Theme or Color Scheme and choose Dark if you see it. On some builds, this option lives under Tools, then Options, and you'll find it on an Interface or Charts tab. Pick the Dark option and the terminal should switch over immediately. If you don't see any dark theme choice anywhere, your platform is likely an earlier build. Dark interface support is available in newer releases, so consider updating MT5 to a recent build to unlock it. If a full dark interface isn't available on your version, or you only want the charts to be dark while keeping menus light, you can set up dark charts manually. Open any chart, right-click inside it, and choose Properties, or press F8 as a shortcut. Go to the Colors tab. Under the Color Scheme drop-down, select Green on Black or another dark preset if it's listed. That's the fastest path to a night-friendly look. Don't love the default preset? Tweak the individual colors for clarity. Set the background to black or a very dark gray. Choose colors for grid, text, bar up, bar down, and candles that are high contrast and easy to read. The goal is for price bars, wicks, and text to stand out at a glance, without straining your eyes. Feel free to experiment and preview until the chart looks right for your environment. Once you've got a chart looking the way you want, save it so you can reuse it. Right-click the chart again, go to Template, and choose Save Template. Give it a name, for example, darkmode.tpl. To apply it elsewhere, open another chart, right-click, go to Template, and load that same template. Repeat on any additional charts you open so your workspace stays consistent. That's it. Use the built-in dark theme if your MT5 supports it for a full interface makeover, or build your own dark charts and save them as a template when that option isn't available. Either way, you'll reduce eye strain and keep your focus where it matters most, on the price action.